Digital marketing, by definition, encompasses all marketing efforts that use digital devices or the internet to promote products and services. This includes a variety of methods such as search engines, social media, email, websites, and more. Digital marketing focuses on reaching and engaging target audiences through online channels by utilizing strategies such as content marketing, like social media marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization. You'll see this listed places as SEO or pay-per-click advertising and more. The goal of digital marketing is to increase brand awareness, to drive traffic to your products, to generate leads, and ultimately drive conversions and sales. In this course, we're using digital marketing to talk about selling digital products online. These can be ebooks, courses, and memberships.